Most homemaking advice and methods and home management systems, they kind of ignore real life, real emotions, real spiritual battles, and the cultural pressures working against families. And in the middle of all of that, we mamas are famous for putting ourselves last, buying our kids new clothes while we wear the same stretched out tees or ill-fitting pants, replacing everyone else's gadgets and needs while cooking with old tools that make our jobs harder, pouring out energy, love, and time without ever replenishing or investing in learning or growth for ourselves, despite having one of the most stretching, difficult jobs there is. And we always justify pouring into others and not ourselves as normal, and running on empty is kind of glorified, but it's not sustainable. There is going to come a crashing point. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to pop on today and tell you about some changes that are going to be taking place here. Okay, one of the changes is I changed my profile picture. I'm not sure what you call it here, but I think it's called the profile picture. The reason that I'm telling you this is because when I see channels do this that I love, it takes me weeks, sometimes months to realize they changed their profile picture. And so for weeks and months, I will be like looking for them and I can't find them because I'm looking for the profile picture that I've grown accustomed to. I've had the same profile picture here, gosh, for like 3 or 4 years. And I wanted to update it kind of to reflect some of the new changes that are going to be taking place. Anyways, I didn't want you guys to be lost going, where did Shayla go? not being able to find me because I changed the profile picture. So that's why I wanted to tell you, I changed the profile picture. But I also wanted to tell you about some new changes that are going to be taking place here. Also about what I've been working on in case you missed it. So honestly, what I've been working on is something that I believe is going to bless so many overwhelmed Christian moms and homemakers. Very briefly, I should tell you, my kids are like all over the place and my dogs are all over the place. So if one of them runs through or you hear my kids laughing in the other room, please don't be too surprised or shocked. Like, what is that? Okay, first of all, I'm going to be trying to post a little bit more often. I have reached a season where it's finally doable that I can do that for you guys, and I'm excited about it. But it's not going to be the regular style of videos that you see on Monday. So Monday, I'm going to try to keep the style of video kind of like it always has been, but I want to do another video a week as often as I can. I have so many requests here weekly for videos that are around 10 to 15 minutes. And so I want to start doing some more kind of talking head videos like this where I'm just popping on answering some of your questions. Before I get into the big announcement, I want to start with telling you about something completely free that I created just for you. So the first thing I want to tell you about is my brand new free masterclass called Time Redeemed. Time Redeemed is for the mom who feels like the days keep slipping away. She's always behind and drowning. She just can't seem to put into words the reasons why she's overwhelmed in a way that her family understands. For the woman who feels like her to-do list is chasing her, like she's constantly running around putting out fires all day, and like her home feels chaotic, like she's tired of feeling like she's failing in a season she deeply wants to love. If you have ever said, I just can't keep up, I can't catch up, I don't know where my time is going, then this free masterclass is my gift to you. I created this method that is in this masterclass around 10 years ago, a little over 10 years ago actually. And since then, it has helped hundreds, possibly thousands of women overcome overwhelm and redeem their time. I created this specifically for Christian homemakers, ADHD moms, moms that are overwhelmed, and any woman who wants her days to just finally feel purposeful, peaceful, and redeemed again. Inside the training, I will walk you through a simple framework for reclaiming your time, how to anchor your day in faith instead of overwhelm, the rhythms that can help you finally get ahead, and the mindset shifts that transform how you show up as a homemaker and mother. Some of the common lies that women believe that keep them stuck in the chaos hamster wheel. If you have been craving a reset or you feel like you are drowning in the everyday, go sign up for Time Redeemed. It is completely free. The link is in the description below. I'll probably put it in the comments so you can find it easily there too. All right, now for the part I am so excited to finally share with you. Now, some of this might be old news to you. You maybe have already heard by now. I want to go into some more detail in this video. For the past several weeks, I have been building something quietly behind the scenes, something that has been building on my heart for years, and this week it is finally live. Before I tell you about this announcement, I do want to give you some context though. I actually started this channel back in 2017. just sharing things there that were happening and helping me as a homemaker in my homemaking journey. Now, don't go looking for videos from 2017. They were horrible. I didn't know what I was doing. I had zero on camera experience and presence. And most of the videos I made back then have since been recreated in a better format and way. But the point is, I have been at this a while. And over all these years, I have received hundreds of repeated messages and questions from women all over the world. And do you know what is interesting? Even though the women are different, the questions are usually always along the same lines. They're questions about overwhelm, time, routines, identity, homemaking confidence, spiritual grounding, and how to manage a home in a world that feels increasingly chaotic, and also boundaries. How do you set boundaries as a homemaker? I get it. I have lived for every single one of these struggles. We are living in a culture that is increasingly harsh on single income families, faith-driven moms and families, and homemakers who are trying to do what's right for their homes. There's very little support, very little encouragement, and a lot of pressure and judgment. That's exactly why I created what I am about to share with you. After years of questions, years of praying over how to serve you better, and weeks of quietly building behind the scenes, I am so excited to officially introduce Restored and Radiant, Mastering the Arts of Homemaking, Faith, and Family Management. This course is for the woman who wants to level up her homemaking journey, not in a Pinterest perfect, superficial, unrealistic way, but in a Christ-centered, grace-filled, whole woman kind of way. If you are tired of homemaking courses that only teach you how to clean better, decorate better, or make prettier checklists, this is different. This is totally different. Restored and Radiant goes much deeper, because you're a whole woman, mind, body, and spirit. And we need to include all of these aspects when we are speaking of homemaking, when we address how to be a good homemaker. So this course was born out of decades of lived homemaking experience in raising a large family, having multiple pregnancies and children, navigating ADHD and CPTSD healing, all while rebuilding my faith, managing a constantly changing home, and learning what truly creates peace, order, and joy, not just on good days, but on every day, through all of the seasons of womanhood and motherhood, the hard ones included. Inside this course, you will find 6 modules, over 60 lessons. Most are between 5 and 15 minutes. Faith foundations, homemaking systems. Yes, there will be some home management systems in there too. In fact, a whole module is dedicated to it. Family management tools, family relationship building tools, and the rhythms that I've been teaching since 2019 that have transformed my home and the homes of so many other women. This course is deep, you guys. We talk about identity as a Christian homemaker, purpose, routines, home systems, emotional and physical cycles. This is really unlike any course you have seen yet. Biblical homemaking, chore structures, time stewardship, how to be a homemaker in hard situations, and so much more. You guys, I have so many years of experience doing this. I have over 30 years as a homemaker. Over 20 of them are as a homemaking mom who's also been homeschooling. I know what I'm talking about. If you have ever thought, I feel behind, I'm overwhelmed, nobody ever taught me how to do this or that, I don't know how to navigate this, I'm not respected in my calling by anybody in the house, I'm doing everything but nobody seems to see. Or if you've thought, I want a peaceful home but I don't know where to start, or maybe this, I want to feel fulfilled but something is missing, then this course is for you if you've thought any of these things. Whether you are a new homemaker, an overwhelmed mom, an ADHD mama, or somebody who grew up without models of biblical homemaking, this course is for you. It's going to meet you right where you are, and it's going to walk with you step by step. Restored and Radiant was built for women just like you, carrying exhaustion, maybe even shame, chaos, unmet expectations, ADHD, trauma, disappointment, discouragement, women who have given and given and given until there's almost nothing left. You guys, this course is not something frivolous. It is not a spa day expense or something like that. This is soul nourishment, strengthening, encouraging, equipping nourishment for you. It's practical, biblical, grace-filled support that actually fits your season of homemaking and motherhood. It will feed your mama soul so you can rise stronger for your family. Let me tell you about who this course is for. It is for the homemaking mother, drowning in guilt, noise. Noise pollution is real, by the way, and overwhelm, and longing to enjoy the life that she has. It is for the struggling homemaker who is tired of simply surviving and who wants to thrive. It's for the new or the lonely homemaker starting from ground zero, feeling lost, having had nobody to show her the way, and longing for a strong arm to help her along the way. This course includes the homemaker with post-traumatic stress disorder, or CPTSD, who can't seem to find peace but wants to find it. This is for the angry homemaker who's expected to do everything for everyone all the time and never gets a break, but would like to find a way to simmer down and find healing and peace. This is for the perimenopausal homemaker whose family expects too much of her and she can't seem to get through to them but wants to, and who wants to feel her spark again. This is for the homeschooling or homesteading homemaker who tried to make the best choices for her family, but has no idea how to make all of these moving pieces fit together. This is for the aspiring homemaker, dreaming of being a wife and a mother someday, and wanting to be prepared. This does provide 6.5 hours in various school subjects, such as home ec or family sciences, by the way. And there is much more deep additional training over on Patreon, because when you get this course, you will also get 6 months free inside Patreon, my highest tier there. This is for the aging homemaker, helping to raise her grandchildren and or who is looking for ways to still actively serve. There are 6 modules in this course. Module 1, the call to a restored home. This is where we start with the heart, faith, identity, and purpose. You will learn God's design for the home, clear out overwhelm and perfectionism, and create a family vision that brings clarity to your days. Module 2 is creating systems that work. This is the Make Life Easier module. I will walk you through routines, room systems, chore systems, planners, and tools, and unique ways to use them that you probably have never thought of before, all in ways that will take the mental load off and bring order to your home. Module 3 is homemaking for the whole woman through every season, every stage, whether you are pre-marriage, in the thick of motherhood, having babies, dealing with burnout, trauma, ADHD, or entering empty nesting. You will get strategies to actually thrive. And I do talk a lot about perimenopause in this one too. Module 4, homemaking through relationships, marriage, motherhood boundaries, and community boundaries, extended family boundaries. You will learn how to strengthen your marriage, parent, hold healthy boundaries, and build community without burning out. In Module 5, we're going to talk about nourishing the family. So some simple kitchen skills and confidence building. You will learn some scratch cooking tips and tricks. The baking lesson is super packed and fun. I enjoyed making that. And also how to create affordable, nourishing meals that your family will love. Module 6 is building skills, homemaking skills, practical skills. It is all about the beauty of the home. You'll learn how to create a warm, welcoming home on any budget, in any season, and grow in confidence, joy, and purpose as a homemaker. And I also have a hosting class in there as well. It is also packed with so many different checklists and printables to make your life easier that have made my life much easier. The course is made so you can go through it as you go about your day, but I also have a quick start jump board as soon as you open the course for those looking for instant help and momentum in getting the chaos under control. If something in you longs for peace, purpose, and a home that feels like a sanctuary again, this is your invitation. You are worth investing in. Enrollment is officially open, and I can't wait to welcome you inside. You can find everything linked to in the description box below. So again, sign up for the free masterclass, time redeemed. It's going to be so helpful to you. And if you're ready for a deeper transformation inside your home and heart, come join me in Restored and Radiant. Thank you for being here. Oh, and before I go, I just want to say this. I know that it's Christmas time, and honestly, I don't think it's an accident that God had me release this right now. So many of us pour out for everyone else during the holidays, and we forget that we are allowed to receive too. So if your heart has been longing for support, if you have been craving order, peace, or direction, if you need a charge, a supercharge in your homemaking journey, or if you need someone to guide you step by step, this might just be the gift you give yourself this Christmas. I've done that a time or two. And one of the bonuses is holiday related inside of the course. But this is truly a course that is a gift that will bless you long after the decorations come down. Enrollment is open. Everything is linked to below. Thank you for being here, and I cannot wait to see what God restores in you this season.